Luna Classic is ready to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, yesterday we were trading right above these exponential moving averages around the 18 mark, and I mentioned it's going to be very, very important for the bulls to try to come in and take control of these levels and make the trade obviously go above the exponential moving averages. You can see that we failed to break above the exponential moving averages. We actually had a beautiful retest of the 9 exponential, acting as a very strong resistance with a very strong bearish engulfing candle and a continuation. The markets did have a nice double bottom pump. You can see that we pretty much had the same sort of formation on Bitcoin as well, but we didn't see that same volume come in, right? You can see on Luna Classic, we tried to break above those EMAs one last time, failed to break above, and now we are currently testing below that crucial support level at 18, which I mentioned. This can be seen as a retest as resistance in that continuation, so my overall level is still going to be around the 14 mark for Luna Classic. But of course, this doesn't have to change the fact that we are still somewhat in a crucial support zone, right? You can see we had the same sort of wick right around this level where we currently found a bottom around 15. So we have to keep that in mind, that we can possibly be looking for one last leg up or another liquidity grab like we saw over here before that continuation. Luna Classic has been in a very slow bleed from all the way up here around the 31 mark. You can see that we've pretty much been trying to break above those exponential moving averages and failing to break above. Every time we do get in that neutral territory, we have a nice scam pump to the upside and then that continuation down, which further sets the fact that obviously the bears are definitely in control because we're just not seeing that buy volume come in just now. As you guys know, in terms of Luna Classic, necessarily when we are trading in capitulation markets, you don't want to be trading in altcoins and definitely don't want to be sitting in Luna Classic because of the volatility. This is an opportunity for you to guys enter these shorting positions, but of course, if you are looking to DCA for whatever reason, your best bet would be trying to DCA around this 86 mark. The reason why this 86 mark level is so important is because you can see on Luna Classic, we did hold the support level extremely well and had a nice continuation before that breakout opportunity. Of course, if the 86 level is broken, we can be looking for around the 54, but that we'll decide that once the time comes. Right now, we're just going to look at the next support level. And again, guys, I've mentioned this to you many times that this 14 level does act as a strong support, but because we tested that support line, we didn't see that buy volume come in. The reason we didn't see that buy volume is why I'm leaning towards a break of this formation at 14, but we obviously have to wait for that retest confirmation, get that resistance, and then that confirmation to the downside. If we do see that break of that move, then we're pretty much going to be looking for those shorting entries overall. But if we look on the hourly time frames, there is something interesting that's happening currently. On Luna Classic, you can see that we had a very nice bullish engulfing candle break above those exponential moving averages and a continuation, but we didn't quite see that volume, right? This is exactly what I'm saying. When you saw the break formation right over here, we had the same support level which we're currently at right now. We saw a very strong bullish engulfing candle and then the liquidity grab. Although it didn't continue pushing forward, we did have this small little move set and a slow ladder case up, and I was hoping we would possibly be retesting that 22 mark once again. You can see immediately after we created this somewhat of a BART formation on the hourly, failed to break above that level, and then a slow bleed pattern continuation. Right now, guys, we are not seeing that liquidity or the volume, right? You're seeing a slow bleed, and we've been seeing a slow bleed from Luna Classic all the way. For those of you that are looking for this long position, ideally keep a very close eye at this support level here at 14. You can see that the volume definitely came in over here when we tested level 1, so keep a very close eye and see whether or not this support level is going to hold. I would best suggest, of course, on the 4-hour time frames to see if we can get that 3-test confirmation and then that continuation. But if we can't see that retest and we do see that break, things are going to look extremely bad for Luna Classic overall. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.